this is Tim from Euro 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off moving the phone wakes up the display on your Motorola phone. So this can get quite annoying. So let's go back to home screen, go to the top right and go to settings. Scroll on down under here until we get to where it says home and lock screen. Now if you can't find it under here, we can always just go to search and just type in wake. So let's go to home and lock screen, go to lock screen. All the way at the bottom we have gestures and haptics, wake display, and we can just uncheck right here. Now we can also just go to the top under settings and just type in wake. Right here, go to search, wake display, and then we can see down here, just tap it and it will be off now. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Euro 6 Studios.